Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the ELGATO CAM LINK 4K device and I'm going to tell you how you can easily plug this device straight into your MacBook. So at first you have to prepare a camera that you will plug into your device, your MacBook, and the device CAM LINK. Then prepare yourself a HDMI cable, which looks like this, of course, to your camera and to your ELGATO CAM LINK. And at first you can plug your cable into your ELGATO to be sure that everything will be working correctly. And for a moment, let me take this ELGATO apart. And as you can see, this is a HDMI cable for our camera. So let me just plug my cable straight into the HDMI port. As you can see, it won't be a problem because it's only that. And now the final part is that we have to bring our MacBook here. So let me take this from here, this and this. And as you can see, this is our MacBook, as you can see. Now we have to prepare ourselves an adapter from the USB type A to USB type C. It can be your private one. It can be this which come with our device. And now let me open this adapter. As you can see, this is this. As you can see, USB type A to USB type C. And this is the ELGATO device. We have to plug the ELGATO device straight into this adapter. Wrong side. And now the final part is to plug our USB Type-C cable into our MacBook. This is the MacBook Pro from 2016. And that's literally it. Goodbye.